Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to use the potentiometer with Arduino. It's basically a project that we're going to be building in this video is how to use the potentiometer to brighten and dim down an LED. And so to build the circuit, we're going to put our potentiometer on the breadboard. And one side of the potentiometer, it doesn't matter which side you use to hook to positive or negative, it just does, all that matters is you don't use the middle pin. That middle pin goes to pin A0. And so we'll connect my far left pin of the potentiometer to G and D on the Arduino. And so now my far left pin on the potentiometer will be going to the 5V pin on the Arduino. And then the middle pin on the potentiometer will be going to pin A0. And so now we'll go ahead and connect our LED. And so connect the positive side of the LED to one side of the resistor. Connect the other side of the resistor to pin 11 on the Arduino. And then the cathode or the negative side of the LED will be going to G and D on the Arduino. And so basically that is the circuit. And so now we'll go ahead and look at the code. And so now here is the code. And so what we have here at first is we put all pin numbers that we are using into variables. So like pin A0, which is connected to the potentiometer, is put into the variable called pot. Then pin 11, which is connected to our anode of our LED, is going to be put into the variable LED. And so then we come down here and we set two integers here. We set pot value. This is going to be holding the raw value that we are getting from the potentiometer. And then we have another integer, LED brightness. This variable is going to be holding how bright our LED is. And then we go into the void loop and we do pin mode pot input. Basically meaning that we're setting up pin A0, which is connected to the potentiometer, and it's going to be an input since we're going to be reading information from the potentiometer. And then we have pin mode LED, which is referring to pin 11, and then it's going to be an output. And then that's all we need to do in the void setup. And so then we go into the void loop and we go ahead and we do analog read pot. So we're just telling Arduino we're going to be reading from an analog pin, and that pin is going to be pot, which is pin A0. And then whatever value we get from that pin is going to be put into the pot val variable. And so now we'll go ahead and use the map function. And so now what this map function is going to be doing is it's going to be converting the analog value to the digital value. So for example, with analog values, we get a value in between 0 and 1023. But when we want to send signals with PWM with a digital pin, we can only use a value in between 0 and 255. And so we have to convert the analog value to the PWM value that we send to the digital pins. So that's what this map function is doing here. All it asks for is the number that we want to convert, and we give it the pot value since that's the value that we are getting from the potentiometer. And so then it's going to ask us, okay, what's the lowest number that this value, which is basically the potentiometer, can give us? And that's 0. What's the maximum? That is 123 right here. So then it's going to ask us, what's the minimum value we want to convert to? That's going to be 0. What's the maximum value we want to convert to? That's 255. That's the maximum number that a digital pin can receive with PWM. And so then after it converts an analog value to a PWM value to send to the digital pins, it's going to go ahead and put that value into LED brightness, and that's going to be the brightness of the LED. So then the last thing we need to do is we need to do analog write LED brightness. And so we're just saying what pin number we are writing to and how high of a signal we want to send to that pin, and that's going to be LED brightness. And so basically that is the code. So let's go ahead and see our project. Okay, so now here's the project, and as you can see we have our LED right here. And if I start brightening it up, if I start turning it up, as you can see, it starts brightening up. If I turn it down, it starts dimming down. And I can just go back and forth and control the brightness. And so basically that is the project. And so there you go. Now you know how to use the potentiometer with Arduino. If you like this video, consider giving this video a like. Also comment down below if you have any questions, and consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye.